Today we will learn how to make 3-bean salad. Before beginning this recipe, be sure to wash your hands. You'll also want to wash any produce you'll be using. To prepare 3-bean salad, you will need 1 15-ounce can of green or wax beans, 1 15-ounce can of pinto or garbanzo beans, 1 15-ounce can of red kidney beans, 1 bell pepper, chopped, 1/2 onion, chopped, 6 tablespoons vinegar, white or red, 3 tablespoons oil, either vegetable or olive, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Be sure to wash the tops of all canned goods before opening. It's a good idea to rinse the beans after draining in order to remove any excess salt. After you have drained and rinsed the bean varieties, add them to a medium-sized bowl. Chop 1/2 onion and add to the bowl. Chop 1 washed bell pepper and add to the bowl. Mix ingredients well. In a separate bowl, mix 6 tablespoons vinegar. This version uses red wine vinegar, but you may use any kind of vinegar. Three tablespoons oil. This version uses olive oil, but you may use any kind. And 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper. Mix the liquid ingredients really well together as a dressing. Pour the liquid mixture over the beans and mix well together. Serve immediately or chill overnight for an even better flavor. Enjoy!